this video is going to be a little bit different, okay? It's going to be different in that we're not going to necessarily be talking about tutorials. We're not going over logic, mixing, and mastering. We're actually going over one of the ways that you can get paid for your music. All too often, I see my fellow musicians suffering and in need of cash, flow. And so, look, we're going to have to figure out the financial struggle, the pressure of being a creative, and there are some viable solutions. So right now, you can see on my screen that HF Tracks just got paid as a company. I've got some writers on my team, two of them being on hfmusicacademy.com. This is the academy where we train individuals just as yourself so you can start monetizing your music. So here we go. We just got a nice payment, $1,100. And not only am I going to pay the individuals that were on the team, that wrote for the brief, that executed, I helped them along the way, but truly they did it themselves. So respect to you two. The whole name of the game is that we want to empower creative people out there to be the best that they can. We want to empower individuals such as yourself to not settle for a life that is not yours. It is possible to make money in this business. It is possible to get big level placements, big level contracts. I've done it my entire career. I just helped another one of the members of hfmusicacademy.com get her placement on The Young and the Restless. This is her second placement. This was a vocal placement, which means she's about to get paid. Here, I'm going to play it. If YouTube flags it for whatever reason, maybe I'll try muting it or something. But here it is right here. Let me go ahead and just play this thing real quick. You can see this is her song. It's about to come on right now, right after this. Check it out. That could be you. All right, and then it literally plays out for a long time. Now, this is a vocal placement, which again means that she's about to get paid, get some notoriety, build her resume. Now she can go to various other companies and ask for more because she has become more in the process of joining HF Music Academy. If you've ever wanted a shot, just one opportunity to make it right, to get yourself on the path, to get yourself kind of on that next level, and you know you can do it, you actually have faith in yourself, or at least a little bit of faith, then let us help you get there. This is one of many. Guys, Chris Crispin, another one of our guys, just got Johnson & Johnson. We've had GoPro. We've had stuff on Hulu. It's been bananas. And we want you to get there too, and we know you can. So all you got to do is check out hfmusicacademy.com. If you need a little bit of help, you need a little bit of guidance, go ahead and email us, support@hfmusicacademy.com. So we just got paid, and I'm going to go on this reputable site here, and I'm going to pay these gentlemen. All right, so let me go ahead and get their emails. Now, obviously, I'm going to go ahead and blur their information just so that they have their privacy. But what we're trying to do here, guys, is we're trying to encourage you to make the money that you know you should make. So here he is right here, one of the members. This guy's a peak performer. We love him. And I'm going to go ahead and send him $225. That's his cut of the deal. This is from HF Music Academy. And again, you could be next. I want you guys to win. There are so many opportunities out there. So boom, we're sending this via friends and family. Yes, I love it. All right, cashing out. I love it. Great job. Great job, team. All right, here's the next one. Let's see, let me find my next. Here he is right here. Another one of the members. He's been around since the very beginning. Super stoked about this gentleman finally cashing in on what he has to do. So good. We'll get him on here. Nice. There he is right there. Again, congratulations. Cashing out $225 just like that. Okay, so look, I don't know who I'm talking to out there. I know there's a lot of new subscribers. I want to say welcome to the channel. And this is an incredible opportunity for anybody looking to not only just monetize their music, but really just become more, have more prestige in the music industry just in general. So if you want to see your music on TV just like this, and you want me to help you, like I've helped so many other individuals from ground zero, they had no contacts. They had, prior to this moment, not had made any money in the industry after years of intentionally trying. And now, because of the system that we implement at hfmusicacademy.com, they actually have a shot. They're out there. They're winning. They're winning every single day. They're getting something out of their music career. They're moving their business forward. And this is what I want for you. It is time that you stop settling for a life that is not yours. I know what that feels like. Trust me, to feel lost, to feel broken, to feel like you don't know what's going on. But this is an opportunity. This is a path that we have laid out. My team and I have laid it out structurally and strategically to make sure that you move ahead, to make sure that you move forward. So if you're interested, if it resonates, if it calls you, I want you to check out support at hfmusicacademy.com. Check out our website. See what we offer. Look at the plan. See if it works for you, if it's something that you can try on, if you can get inside the car, test drive it, and then take it as far as you possibly can. This world has given me a new life. I've been able to put my daughter through private school, get some of the best gear in the world, and I'm so grateful. And I look forward to serving you, to helping you get to where it is that you need to get. I'm looking forward to meeting you guys. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Please go ahead and smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Thank you very much. Cheers.